Defining cybersecurity. In today's digital world, cybersecurity has become an integral part of our life. As we continue to rely on technology to store and share sensitive information, it is important to understand what cybersecurity is and how it can protect us from cyber threats. In this video, we'll be defining cybersecurity, exploring its importance, and analyzing the different type of cyber threats. So, what is cybersecurity, you might ask? It is simply referred to the protection of computer, server, mobile devices, electronic system, network, and data from digital attack, theft, or damages. Cybersecurity is crucial because it helps us prevent unauthorized access to confidential data, ensure data privacy, and promote business continuity. As our world continues to digitize, cybersecurity becomes more important than ever. So, what are the type of cyber threats? There are various types of cyber threats out there, but the most common one are phishing. This is a scenario where it uses fake email, messages, or link to steal personal information. Another one is malware, which is a malicious software that infects the computer or network, causing data breach or system shutdown. Then ransomware, from the name, ransomware is a type of malware that encrypts user data and demand for payment in exchange for the decryption key. So, what is the importance of cybersecurity? Cyber threats can cause significant harm to individuals, businesses, and governments. They can result in financial loss, reputational damage, and legal consequences, and lots more. Cybersecurity mitigates the risk of these threats and protects sensitive information. It ensures business continuity, prevents intellectual property theft, and safeguards national security. So, what are the cybersecurity best practices I have for us today? Number one, to ensure strong cybersecurity, one should follow some of the best practices, which include strong password, keeping your software updated, using two-factor authentication, and encrypting sensitive data. It is also essential to have a backup plan and educate all your stakeholders about cyber threats and cyber solutions. So, cybersecurity best practices is not just left for the IT team, but rather everybody in an organization. It is our responsibility to keep our data safe from this cyber attack. I hope we find this video helpful, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.